Good morning. Here for the park cleanup?
Yes, this is our first time.
Welcome. Please sign in here.
What time does it start?
9 a.m. at Maple Park.
What do we need to bring?
Just yourself. We provide everything.
Even gloves?
Gloves, bags, and tools, all provided.
How many volunteers today?
About 40 people signed up.
That is a lot.
Our community is amazing.
How long does the cleanup take?
About 3 hours until noon.
And then?
Free lunch for all volunteers.
Even better.
We also have a t-shirt for everyone.
What color?
Green with the park logo.
I love it. See you at the park.
Hi, I am Jeff, your team leader today.
Hi, Jeff. Where do we start?
Our team cleans the lake trail.
What do we need to pick up?
Trash, plastic bottles, and cans.
Do we separate recycling?
Yes, blue bags for recycling.
And black bags for trash?
Exactly. Here are your gloves.
And a grabber tool. Cool.
It saves your back.
How far is the trail?
About 1 mile each way.
We can handle that.
Watch out for poison ivy.
What does it look like?
3 shiny leaves. Do not touch it.
Got it. 3 leaves, leave it alone.
Good way to remember.
Let's go clean up.
Team Green, let's go.
There is so much trash here.
I found 3 plastic bottles already.
Who throws bottles in the lake?
Sadly, many people do.
Look, a whole pizza box.
In the bushes? That is terrible.
At least we are cleaning it up.
I found something weird.
What is it?
A rubber duck.
In the middle of the trail?
Someone lost their bath toy.
Should I put it in recycling?
No, let's keep it. A souvenir.
Our cleanup mascot.
How many bags have we filled?
2 black bags, 1 blue bag.
The blue one is heavy.
All those glass bottles.
The trail looks so much better now.
We are making a real difference.
Let's keep going.
Time to plant flowers.
What kind are these?
Marigolds. They love sun.
They are so orange and bright.
Dig a small hole first.
About this deep?
Perfect. Now put the plant in.
And cover with soil?
Yes. Press gently around it.
Like this?
You are a natural gardener.
I have a garden at home too.
Really? What do you grow?
Tomatoes, peppers, and basil.
I love fresh basil.
Next time I'll bring some for you.
These flowers will make the entrance beautiful.
The park will look brand new.
That is the goal.
How many more to plant?
About 20 more.
Let's keep going.
These old benches need new paint.
I have green and white paint.
Green for the seat, white for the legs.
That will look great.
Should we sand them first?
Yes, get the old paint off.
This sandpaper is rough.
That is what we need.
Now the fresh paint.
Use long, even strokes.
Like this?
Perfect. No drips.
This green is a beautiful color.
It matches the trees.
The bench looks brand new,
People will love sitting here.
especially with the new flowers nearby.
We are transforming this park.
One bench at a time.
2 more benches to go.
I will do the white legs on those.
Teamwork.
An ice cream truck. Perfect timing.
Free ice cream for all volunteers today.
Really? Who is paying?
The City Parks Department. A thank you.
That is so generous.
What flavor do you want?
What do you have?
Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and mint.
Strawberry cone, please.
Cone or cup?
Cone. Always cone.
Good choice. Sprinkles?
Yes, please. Rainbow sprinkles.
Here you go.
My husband wants chocolate.
Cone or cup for him?
Cone. He likes to bite the bottom.
Everyone does that.
Thank you. This is delicious.
You earned it. Great work today.
Best reward ever.
Enjoy. Happy volunteering.
Lunch is ready. Come eat.
What are we having?
Burgers, hot dogs, and potato salad.
This is amazing. Thank you.
You all worked so hard today.
How much trash did we collect?
30 bags total. A new record.
30 bags? Wow.
And we planted 50 flowers.
And painted 6 benches.
The park looks incredible now.
When is the next cleanup day?
Next month, second Saturday.
We will be there.
You should join our monthly team.
What do monthly volunteers do?
Trail maintenance and tree planting.
Tree planting? I would love that.
Sign up at the community center.
I will sign up this week.
You are a great volunteer, Tom.
This community is worth helping.
Dave, great job on the benches.
Thanks. Your painting was perfect.
Do you volunteer often?
About once a month.
What other activities are there?
Food bank. Every 3rd Saturday.
At the food bank, what do you do?
Sort and pack food boxes.
That sounds meaningful.
It is. Many families need help.
I want to volunteer there too.
The more hands, the better.
Is there a summer event?
Yes, a charity run in July.
A 5K run?
Yes, proceeds go to the park.
Tell me I should register.
It is a lot of fun.
Everyone, group photo time.
Green team, say clean park.
I am so tired, but so happy.
My arms hurt from painting,
My legs hurt from walking.
but the park looks amazing now.
We collected 30 bags of trash
And planted 50 marigolds.
and painted 6 benches.
We made a real difference.
The ice cream was a nice surprise.
And the free lunch was great.
I want to volunteer every month.
Me too.
And the food bank.
And the charity run in July.
We are becoming community heroes.
Green t-shirt heroes.
Today was one of our best days.
Because we helped.
Helping feels so good.
We will be back next month.